Two roads diverged in a wood, and I took the one less traveled by, and that has made all the difference. It is rightly said by Robert Frost in his poem The Road Not Taken, and it truly applies to the beauty of Indonesia. In Indonesian language, we even call it Indonesia Indah, which means beautiful. God has gifted Indonesia with natural beauty. You go to the less visited places, you will find more beauty. For each place I visited, I doubt it. If I should ever come back, in Indonesia, people say, if you are sitting at home, you are just wasting your time. It is really recommended to pack your bags, go out and explore Indonesia. This is the Manhattan Resort in Bogor. Very calm and peaceful. Landscaping is good. Keeping the goldfish in water is a symbol of peace, prosperity, and love. Watching the fish is like a therapy in itself. Amazing and mesmerizing. Our next stop is Aston. So we are going towards Aston now. This hotel is one of its kind. You can see the water landscaping. All the buildings and huts or houses or villas, they are all well made, and even the roof is very decorative. This is the breakfast lounge, and there are different kind of seating over there. You can sit on the floor, and there are some musical instruments also lying there. You can see the greenery, swings and seating arrangements in open. You can just have a nice walk over there and enjoy the beauty. You will even find some animals over there for kids to make them busy. But I feel that they should leave the animals in open for them also to enjoy the green grass. It's lunchtime now, and we have decided to have our lunch in Capriccio restaurant. It's a very famous Italian restaurant. On the walls they have displayed the types of pasta, types of pizza they serve. Decor is nice, and I'm sure the taste is also going to be amazing. Some of the Italian cuisines pronunciations are very different. Our order is getting ready to be served. With every order you get some complimentary breads and breadsticks along with olives, garlic butter and olive oil. The breads which we just had are called focaccia. This is bruschetta, which is served with some veggies and cheese. This is cream of tomato soup, pizza, and pasta. Let me try the bruschetta. You can see the cheese, tomatoes, and some veggies are also there. I'm sure it's going to be very tasty and very crunchy. And of course, the slice of pizza doesn't need an explanation. Just grab a piece. So yummy and cheese-licious pasta full of cream cheese sauce. Chef is Indonesian, but the taste is typically Italian. Our next stop is Villa Bukit Hambalong. It's an organic farm for growing vegetables and fruits. People come here to enjoy the natural beauty, and there are so many swings around for the kids to play. You can even go down the stairs and enjoy the farms. If you are planning to go down to see the vegetables and organic farming, then make sure you need to step down and you have to come up again by climbing so many stairs. There you will find hundreds of lime and lemon plants, and you can even pluck lemons from there. At the end, again I would like to quote my favorite poet Robert Frost with his lines, "The woods are lovely, dark and deep, but I have promises to keep, and miles to go before I sleep, and miles to go before I sleep." With the promise to see many more places before I sleep.